हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो गाइस, GK20 में आपका स्वागत है। सो गाइस, आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं अनदर टॉपिक जो है नेशनल यूनिटी डे, राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस के ऊपर 10 लाइंस इन इंग्लिश। सो टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो नेशनल यूनिटी डे। So the first line is National Unity Day is also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. And the second line is this day is celebrated on 31st October every year. And the third line is this day was started in 2014 by the government of India. And the fourth line is it is the birth anniversary of Sardar Bhai Patel. And the fifth line is he was the first deputy prime minister of India. And the sixth line is Sardar Bhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. Seventh line is a statue of unity is unveiled on the occasion of National Unity Day in 2018. Eighth line is on this day, various events such as the Ekta, Parade, essay and speech competitions, run for unity etc. are organized in schools and colleges. And the ninth line is National Unity Day is a day that spread the message to stay united forever. And 10th line is the best way to celebrate this day is to forget our differences and stay united. Thanks for watching.